Well, I did some futures trading and a whole lot of dumb things, but you know what? Learning was taking place, and I want to just walk you through this video that shows, what I was doing, the dumb things, what I learned, and that way for a couple reasons. Number one, so you can see that, this is just part of the process. This happens to anybody, and I've been trading for a whole long time, and yet when you're learning a new platform and you're learning a new product, yeah, you're just gonna do some dumb things and give little tips on what I was doing in order to kind of mitigate the risk that was existing. But yeah, so that's reason number one. You know what? This is just part of the process. And then reason number two is to just show you what futures trading looks like. If you're someone that's kind of on the fence, do I want to give it a try or not? Then you know what? Hopefully this convinces you to at least consider it and see if that's something that may fit into your criteria. Now, maybe you have no idea what futures trading even is. If that's the case, just comment below futures class and I will link you to this 4-part series that I put together on futures trading, totally free. And then I am also using a prop firm account to do my futures trading. If that has no meaning to you, then it's something that I would definitely encourage you to look into. It is a way where you can risk very, very minimal of your personal money, yet gain a lot of quality experience and potentially make a whole lot of money, which again, relative to what was being risked of your own personal capital, very, very little. Now, I'm not gonna go deep down that rabbit hole, but if you are interested in learning more about a prop firm and which prop firm I am using, then I will put a link down below in the description box to this prop firm account that I'm using. And if you use that link, it actually gives you a discount on all the numbers that you would see once you go to their site. So in other words, definitely use that link in order to get the discount. So with that being said, let's go to my desktop and let's see how the futures trading went. Do some learning as I did some pretty dumb things. All right, have an order down here. Getting close to being potentially filled. Oh, and then it bounced. That green X right there is what that's illustrating. And I'm going to cancel that out for now. That was a move that I was waiting for. So we'll see if it wants to. Yeah, I'm glad I canceled that out as it continues on down right now. All right, I'll pause. Got close, but not quite close enough. All right, have an order to go short here at where that line is. You can see that with the red X over here. So I'm filled. See what it wants to do here. So just took a small loss on that one. Well, wow. Could have been a winner, but I decided, yeah, that thing got a little too far beyond, so just keep the risk under control on that one. But bummer. Well, that's hindsight trading for you. So I was short. If you don't know what that means, I wanted the price to go down. So going short means if prices go down, that is a good thing. And now it's coming back. Do I try again is the question. This is just pretty wild action right here. All right, I'll pause. So starting off the day with a small loss. All right, maybe gonna short up here. Again, that red X over there is showing my order. Okay, gonna move it up some more now. So yeah, I'm just trading right off the chart. So again, needs to get up to that crosshair up there. Seems far away, and maybe it is far away, but if this thing gets moving, then I could get up there relatively quickly. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I'm in. And just kind of putzing around on that one. So $30 on that. So back into the green, nothing big. Like I said, kind of just trying to get a feel for some things on this one. The first one was the NQ. That one was the YM. So the YM is the Dow Jones, NQ is the NASDAQ. Yeah, in hindsight, should have held, would have been just fine. But like I said, just trying to get a feel for things. They all move a little differently because their tick sizes are a little different. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, ticks? We're not in the woods. Sorry, dad joke. Just like I said, the class down below in the description box, that's part of the 4-part series, is walking through ticks, what they mean, what they measure. Okay, so back into the green. And we'll see if I can get another trade on it. I'll pause. All right, got very close to getting filled. All right, I'm going to cancel that out now. That move right there, oh so close. Did not fill me though. I was looking to get short. All right, I'll pause. All right, have an order down here. I'm looking to try to get in on this breakdown. Oh, and then it bounced back up. Okay, never mind. All right, trying to get short here. Trying the micros. Okay, I'm in. So my stop's up here. I'm not going to make or lose a whole lot. It is micros. So for those of you that want just a very low risk product, check that out. The P&L as it fluctuates, like I said, if it goes in my favor, not going to be a huge win. But on the flip side, if it goes up, it's not going to destroy my account either. So that's just something to keep in mind. The MNQ, the micros as they're called. So now it's just a question of, does this thing want to come back down? There is a trend line down here that I'm curious if it wants to maybe test, if not break down through. Or is this breakout right now the start of something bigger? So I will pause. We're not going to sit and watch this entire trade, but I'll give you updates throughout it. But that is the current plan, current status of things right now. I'll pause. All right, getting very close to my stop. So we'll see if it does take me out or not. If I do get stopped out, that number will move over there as it realized. Oh, now it's coming back down. Like I said, my stop's right there where the crosshair line is. All right, I'll pause. Okay, getting close once again. So I definitely put my stop in a good location, as it's gone up there several times and has not stopped me out. So it still might be a losing trade, but I do feel good about where the stop has been. All right, now we got a little bit of movement back down. First key break will be that purple line right there, 50 paired moving average. Can it break down through there? That'll be the big question mark. As of right now, it is bouncing at that level, which makes sense why it would find some support there. But if it does break down through there, I'm hoping that creates some panic. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe going to go for the break. Again, it was looking, there we go. Well, once again, held strong. There we go, down through. Now does that break create any sort of actual it's trying. All right, I will pause. Okay, maybe there we go. Got some more downwards pressure here. That fast. Back up it goes. So just got out there, just that was what I was looking for. It was coming down, and you can see it pushed back up. It may still come back down, but I gave that thing plenty of time, try to come back down. It did, and then just picked up zero momentum. In fact, did the exact opposite. Came down, picked up a slight amount of momentum, and then that fast, boom, the opposite momentum showed up, and back up it goes. So, all right, and again, that was never going to be anything big. $5 on that one with about 50 cents of commission. So, but like I said, just kind of putzing around here a little bit. That's unfortunate. I mean, I'm glad I played it the way I did. Gave enough time, and I think I would be stopped. Oh, you got to be kidding me! I'm in. Okay. Nope. Okay. Am I? Oh, I'm confused now. Am I long or short? I am long. Oh, brother. So here's learning the platform. Okay, so I am long. I need to be selling then. And I have 2 now. And actually lucked out and made some money on that one. All right, let me hit this. Let's see if this is even on the screen here. Yeah, so this is an important button that I need to start to learn to just press. I had my stop loss in from earlier in the trade, but I forgot about it. So it did go up there when I was saying, okay, I would have been stopped out, but my order was still there. So it literally bought and got me long. And then instead of looking down here and figuring out if I was long or short, I actually, bought another one. So I had 2 contracts on that one. And it did eventually come back up and broke out. So, put, I think, $10 in my pocket on that one. So now I'm up 15 total. But, this is why micros are good. When you're just starting to putz around with stuff, and I'm glad I definitely did that with, granted, I mean, they did work out. So had I had the normal NQ, that would have been better. But, yeah, this just comes with the story. So yeah, that's the button that I'm going to need to build a habit of constantly hitting, because when they're on the chart, they're just those little small little X's here and here, and easy to forget about. At least for me, I'm forgetting about them. But that's kind of funny. Okay, well, I would have been stopped. Order filled. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Can you hear the guy's voice that says order filled? So, all right. Well, I am, let's see, 40. Yeah, up about $30 on the day with commissions, probably like 20. So yes, definitely some good learning lessons, buttons that I need to get in the habit of pushing that will cancel orders, and just getting to know the different products that are out there. Some things move quicker than others, as you saw. But yeah, futures trading definitely does offer a whole lot of variety for all sorts of personal risk tolerances and circumstances. And again, with the prop firms and knowing that you can risk very, very little of your own money, yet have great upside reward. Now, none of that means it's easy or anything like that. That's not the claim. I'm just saying that very little of your capital is risked up front, and you do have some good possible rewards, assuming you can, go through and do things the proper way. So that is what I have here. I also want to just say, hey, if you have any suggestions, that if you use this platform, if you think I could use it more efficiently, leave it down below. It is Tradeovate is the platform that I'm using, so I'm open to that sort of feedback. But like I said, let me know down in the comment section. If you enjoy this, and if you want me to do more futures videos, prop firm videos, stuff like that, again, I'm open for feedback. Leave that down in the comment section. And at the end of the day, if you just want to support the channel, if you enjoy this content and you just enjoy everything as a whole, but maybe you don't have much money or whatever, but you still want to just support the channel in some way, hit the subscribe button. By doing that, it really does help out and go a long way. So yeah, you've now witnessed and entered the world of futures trading and me doing some dumb things, but hopefully you learned alongside me. And if you have any feedback, like I said, let me know down below. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.